tea.
Hello.
Hello.
So we got our 3 drinks.
Girl, I will rip your hair out.
Oh my god.
Sorry. Oh, you got it on camera?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Hey, AJ, do you have anything to say?
I'm ready to devour the waffle fries.
The waffle fries.
We'll be back when the food arrives.
Jump on it. Thank you, Gwen.
Hannah, tell us about your camera setup.
My camera setup. I don't know. I just copied it on TikTok.
Oh no, I meant what camera you're using.
Oh, I'm using the X100. No, Fujifilm X100 VI, or is it X100 No, is there like Roman? Oh my god, I really love your camera. Oh, hello, everybody.
Hi.
So today, again, for the 10th time, they know where we are.
We're still at.
You know what my sister did to me the other day?
What?
She was like, ate, like I was singing. She was like, ate, sino na ulit? Who sang this song? And then I told her and she was like, let's keep it that way.
What were you singing?
I forgot. I think it was Olivia Dean.
That's so funny.
Oh shit.
Which accent?
Your normal one. Hello.
Good morning, everybody. So today we're at Side Piece Deli, and we will be trying out the folded eggs, the honey toasted croissant, and the pork fennel muffin,
And
as
waffle
well,
fries.
as well as the iced Mont Blanc, iced banana caramel latte, and finally the iced strawberry matcha with
So
soy
basically
milk.
the whole menu.
Yeah.
Oh, but we've also tried that one.
Oh, we've also tried the iced banana caramel matcha,
And
as
the
well.
pandan brioche.
And the pandan brioche. Yes, Gwyneth. Thank you for telling them.
My bad. I was just nodding and smiling here while you were listing the whole menu.
Well, thank you so much. We'll let you know how it goes.
Go on, do your vlog.
Go on.
Good morning. Today we're at Side Piece Deli.
Yes.
And
It just looks like we're not looking at the camera.
we
so you have
ordered
to
like
look
the whole
here.
menu. Oh, my bad. Yeah.
Yeah, repeat. Okay. Video. I thought we were taking a photo.
Thanks very much. Have a good
Thank
weekend.
you.
Have a good one. Thank you. Oh my god, it's lovely day.
Yes.
So what do you think? What's the rating out of 10? Ate AJ's so skinny.
Yeah. Her ass disappeared though. Thanks. Yeah, you were saying she was skinny, but her ass also disappeared. So, what's the rating? What's the rating?
Breakfast in bed. Or like breakfast in stretcher.
Because we're all getting rolled out. Yeah. As you're being sent into like the ICU, you're like, hey guys.
Olivia, meet Gwen.
Hi. This her too?
No, this is her friend Leon. mushroom congee and the honjacha peach cake. We also ordered the creamy honjacha latte and the masara blueberry latte.